scientists have unearthed remains of the earliest known primates, creatures like Tailhardina, not in Africa, not in Asia, but in the fossil beds of North America, specifically Wyoming and Montana. These discoveries date to the Paleocene-Eocene thermal maximum, about 56 million years ago, and were the first clue. The location was surprising, and the assumption was that the north was much warmer then, providing a tropical corridor. Yet, that assumption is now being powerfully challenged. The new evidence points to a far more complex reality. These pioneering primates weren't just living in the north, they lived in a north with truly cold conditions, distinct seasons, winters with freezing temperatures, perhaps even snow. So how can we possibly know what the weather was like 56 million years ago in a specific part of Wyoming? We can't exactly check the Farmer's Almanac for the Paleocene epoch. The answer lies in a brilliant fusion of geology and computation. Scientists have become cosmic detectives, piecing together clues from the Earth itself. They analyze the chemical composition of fossilized teeth and ancient soil samples. These natural archives hold secrets about the past. They examine ratios of different isotopes to read those secrets. For example, oxygen isotopes can reveal temperature. To bring this ancient world to life, researchers turn to sophisticated climate models. These are complex computer simulations like the ones used for today's climate science, fed with geological data like the position of continents and ancient atmosphere composition. To interpret those maps, scientists use the Köppen-Geiger climate classification. Think of it as a universal language for describing climates. Tropical climates hot and humid year-round, temperate climates warm summers and cool winters. Cold or continental climates warm summers but very cold winters, regularly below -3 degrees Celsius. When scientists applied this system to models of ancient North America, the results were shocking. The models showed that the areas where the earliest primate fossils were found were not tropical, weren't even consistently temperate. Instead, they fell squarely into the cold climate category. Imagine a tiny, furry creature, no bigger than a mouse, navigating a forest floor where the winter air is sharp with frost. This is the new picture of our earliest ancestor,